Here we have a Moss Caribbean Breeze ceiling fan from May of 1981. Seems like all these fans are from that same year that are labeled Moss. This is the dark brown 36-inch version, which I think is the less common version out of all the other versions out there. This would be the most sought out fan by non-ceiling fan collectors, because I tend to get emails regarding these fans from people who want another one or to fix the one that they already have. Anyways, we're going to turn this on for the first time in almost 40 years, so let's see what it does. There it goes, as I would expect. Zooming away. This one also has a different label on the canopy, unlike the other ones that has the Moss Caribbean Breeze logo. This actually has the address. Turn it off here. Moss Ceiling Fans, 7600 Northwest 69th Avenue, Miami, Florida 33166. I picked this up off of OfferUp. Couldn't resist it, even though it doesn't have the outer box. But there you have it, demo of this ceiling fan. Hopefully I'll make an official video of it soon. Thanks for watching.